Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing In Christ Alone, which is like one of my favorite songs ever, pretty much. So yeah, I hope you guys like it.
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He gives my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love, what depths of peace. Fears are still when striving cease. My comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. There in the ground his body lay, light of the world by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. And as he stands in victory, sin's curse has lost its grip on me. For I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. No guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me. From life's first cry to final breath, Jesus commands my destiny. No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever pluck me from his hand, till he returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. Oh. Till he returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand.
So yeah, I hope you liked that. So happy Easter to all of you. I hope it's wonderful. I'm not with my family right now. I'm actually just with my mom. So hi to my amazing brother and my dad and everyone in my family all the way in New Jersey. So that's it. I'll see you guys another time. Bye! Bye!
Please tell me that recorded. I'm gonna cry if it didn't.